Hi everyone, welcome back to EduSkills OET, where we help you master the OET exam with strategies and tips. Today, we're going to tackle an OET reading question focused on the biopsychosocial approach. Let's get right into it. Here's the question. The writer sees one benefit of a biopsychosocial approach as Option A, allowing medical professionals to conduct valuable research. Option B, focusing on the person as an individual rather than on the condition. Option C, addressing issues shared by many patients with persistent conditions. Option D, producing the most rapid improvements in patients with mental health issues. Now let's look at the text. While patients' individual differences play a significant role in the course of the condition, they will also share several common psychological reactions to DM1, such as denial and stress over the diagnosis, prognosis, and treatment of the condition, as well as depression. Consequently, DM1 treatment requires what has been termed a biopsychosocial approach, combining medical monitoring and regimen compliance on the one hand, and psychological intervention on the other. Group therapy for patients with physical illnesses is based on this model and has been widely used in applied clinical research and practice. It has been used both for its effectiveness as a therapeutic approach and also because as a process it enables simultaneous treatment of a large number of patients. Numerous studies have found group therapy to be an effective treatment for chronic conditions in general and more specifically for DM1. Let's break this down. The text mentions that DM1 patients share common psychological reactions like denial, stress, and depression, highlighting the need for a biopsychosocial approach. This approach combines medical monitoring with psychological intervention. Group therapy is emphasized as a way to effectively treat multiple patients at once, based on this model. So, let's go through the options. Option A. While the text briefly mentions that group therapy is used in research, the main focus isn't on research opportunities. So, this option doesn't quite fit. Option B. The text does not focus on individual treatment alone, but rather on combining medical and psychological approaches, which doesn't align with this option. Option C. This option makes sense because the text discusses shared psychological issues among DM1 patients and how the biopsychosocial approach helps address them. This is the most accurate match. Option D. The text doesn't focus on rapid improvements or mental health issues specifically. Instead, it talks about treating chronic conditions like DM1 overall. So, the correct answer is C. Addressing issues shared by many patients with persistent conditions. The text emphasizes that the biopsychosocial approach is beneficial because it helps tackle common psychological issues that many patients with DM1 face. This matches option C perfectly. That's all for today's video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more OET tips and strategies. Thanks for watching and see you next time.